Hey guys, welcome to the Testing Academy. My name is Pramod, and in this video, we are going to answer a very important question, which is why should we hire you as a tester? So, whenever any fresher or any experienced person, which basically suppose you have like 3 years or 5 years experience, right? And whenever you join a particular company, right? So this is like the first question generally any technical interviewer which is taking your interview, right? Or sometimes HR ask you that okay, why we should hire you as a software tester, right? So these are the few points I wanted to discuss with you, which I think definitely can help you whenever you discuss with them. And these, trust me, these are the points which works well for me. I have been into industry like for more than 8 years experience, and these are the points that I have basically discussed whenever they ask me about this kind of question. Okay, so go through this till the end. Make sure you watch the video till the end and note it down, and if you agree with this point, let me know in the comment, and if you have any more point that you would like to add, definitely comment down below. I will be happy to help discuss more about it. Okay, so let's see what are these important point, and what is the correct answer that you can give to the why we should hire you as a software tester. All right, so let's get started. So exactly what they want to listen in this case. Okay, so whenever they are asking you that okay, why we should hire you as a tester, you should tell exactly that what value you are bringing to the company. For example, let me give you in a very simple example. Okay, suppose you are joining as a fresher, right? So you can say that okay, since I'm a fresher, I have experience in data algorithms, I have worked on the different programming languages, like I am very fluent in Java, suppose, or C++, or I have basically have some of the experience or some of the project that I have done in Selenium, right? So I will bring value to the company that since I know already you guys have already working on automation, definitely I can be helpful to you on this case. Okay, so you can say that I will be helpful, I can bring automation related value to the company, I can execute your manual test cases and send you report to the stakeholders. So you can say that okay, I am basically providing some values, right? So they're expecting some values. You can say that I have a problem solving mindset because I am a software tester, and problem solving mindset basically means whatever, suppose I am testing a particular application, right? And I know okay, these are the scenario, then I had to test what are the problem this application can have, right? Or what are the means as a user, suppose I am a customer, right? What are the problems that this application, or how this user will be using it. Okay, so this mindset I already have, that's why I want to join as a software tester. So you are bringing up the points, right? Okay, so basically you are a software tester and you're backing up with these points that okay, since I have these qualities, I am a good fit for this company. Okay, and my advice, this is very I think which is basically like this. Let me show you. Okay, so my advice is very simple, which is I have written a couple of points. Like from the start of my career, I had a problem solving mindset. Okay, and I love to explore the application from the point of view as a customer. This is exactly I have said earlier, right? This is exactly you have to say. I am a very motivated person who enjoy finding the issues in application. Okay, this is very common. I mean, there are person who love to find issues in application, right? Before joining the software testing industry, I love to find issues in some banking websites or somewhere around. I love to explore those web applications, right? Even the mobile application. That's what I am saying that. I am also involved in some online communities as a software tester. Even as a fresher, you can say that I am involved in communities, right? It's no, I mean, I don't find it very strange. If you are already a fresher and you have joined some tester community, you are interested in it and you have joined it, right? And you are saying basically I have participated in the other testing projects also. So I know about software testing. I have taken some of the in some of the trainings around it. I have done some of the projects, so I am a very good fit for this. So that's what you are basically telling me. Okay, this is again the same couple of the same things, which is basically uh, I love to explore the application and report any kind of anomalies that I have seen. Okay, I this is very important. I think this point which basically helped me a lot, which generally I say whenever in most of my interviews, I would say this is I love to think out of box about the project. So basically means suppose there is a particular web application they have given me, right? First of all, I will go with the valid and invalid test cases. I will apply black box testing, equivalence partition. These are software testing concepts to create the test cases. But I am thinking about outer box as a customer, right? What will happen if the security concerns? How do we test it, right? What will happen to the performance? What will happen if API fails? What will happen if there are dirty string they have added in username password? So these out of box test cases that I will discuss with the developer. That's why I'm very good fit for this. So that's what exactly what I am discussing here. Okay, awesome. Okay, so this is very important. Make sure whenever you are telling or whenever you are discussing, even in your intro, you can say that I love to think out of the box, and I have basically shown. Even as a fresher, you can say that. Okay, that's very important. From the start, I love to satisfy the customer and their expectation, which is very important for a software tester to tell. This is exactly I have taken like more than 200 plus interviews, and people don't say this, that okay, I'm a software tester, I'm basically a replica of your customer, right? I know what can be your customer's expectation, and that's what I'm testing this thing, right? So that you can say that directly. You can say directly to this that okay, whenever you are giving interview, right? You can say that okay, I love to satisfy the customer. I know what are their expectation. I can test those scenarios, and if there is any issues, I can report them. That's why I am a very good tester, because I am basically a replica of your customer. So that's what exactly they want to hear. That's what the value you are bringing to the company, right? So I hope that makes sense on this, right? Let me make myself a little smaller. Yeah, so that was a quick video around it, like why we should hire you as a software tester, right? I hope that helps, and let me know in the comments what do you think, and if you have more points, guys, please add to the comment. Let's discuss about this, because this is very common question, and most of the interviews, basically whenever you're giving interviewed, I have seen very bad answers to this question. Okay, so let's discuss on this video, on the video's comment. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe if you got some of the points, and if you like my advice with the example. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.